PHP has a rich history, emerging in the mid-90s as a simple scripting tool and evolving into a powerhouse for web development. Today, it powers over 75% of websites, thanks to its robust frameworks like Laravel and its role in popular CMS platforms like WordPress. The developer community remains vibrant, continuously pushing PHP forward. With the release of PHP 8.x, we see significant advancements like JIT compilation and improved type safety, enhancing performance and modernizing syntax. However, PHP faces stiff competition from languages like Node.js and Python, which are favored for their speed and versatility in modern applications. Yet, PHP's deep integration in enterprise environments and its adaptability in cloud computing and microservices keep it relevant. Looking ahead, PHP's future hinges on overcoming challenges like outdated legacy code and shifting perceptions. Opportunities abound in the growing Laravel ecosystem, headless CMS solutions, and API development. As AI and low-code platforms rise, PHP must innovate to maintain its status as a dominant backend language. The next 5 to 10 years will be crucial in determining whether PHP can evolve alongside emerging technologies or risk becoming obsolete.